Meaning of felicitously.
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 Felicitously. Felicitously is an adverb used to describe something that has been done in a pleasing or fortunate manner. When something is done felicitously, it is executed in a way that brings happiness or good fortune to those involved. This term is often used to describe actions or events that have been carried out with skill, grace, or tact. The result of a felicitous action or event is one that is received positively and produces a sense of satisfaction or joy among those who experienced it.